Signs. Checks the runner at first and delivers. Packer lost the ball high into left field. Norton and Williams both going for the catch. And this will be Ben Williams' call. And Williams and Norton collide, and the catch is blown. With another example of his infamous discipline match, George Knox calls timeout and will have a word with his pitcher, Frank Gay. They look like Knox is going to take Gates out. Gates doesn't look too pleased about this. Give me the ball.
It ain't my fault. You need a new outfield.
You're out of here. Give me the ball.
Want the ball? Here you go. Go get it.